the Ferrari SF90. Let's take a look inside. So if you know this car, you know it has 3 motors as a hybrid and pumps out a combined 1,000 horsepower. Here's another one pulling in now. Actually, no, this is not the SF90. It's the 296 GTS. They're confusingly similar looking.